Hello and welcome everybody, I am the IT guy and today we're looking at a new tool that I discovered again. Every time I discover some tools, I would like to share them with you guys all. And this is a tool that is very handy when you get some USB device that you cannot install. So sometimes you can try to install the drivers and you can try to run the wizard, or you can even try to install them via the device manager, and yet still that driver will not install. And this is actually more for generic drivers. So oftentimes what happens is that a driver has like an interface driver and it has a device driver, and the interface driver is often just a generic driver, and without that interface driver the operating system cannot communicate with the actual device. So we need that interface driver installed, and this is what this tool does. It's called Zedik or Zedik. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but I just used it to install my Trezor wallet over here. So this is where I store my cryptocurrencies, and there was this issue where I could not install the driver, and it always said there was this uninstalled generic driver that I cannot install. And I used Zedik or Zedik, I'm just gonna call it Zedik for the rest of the video. I used Zedik to install this driver. So basically what it was a case over here, it was that the driver, it said none. And over here you can choose to install the WinUSB driver. You can have also USB serial drivers, libUSB, libUSBK. There are some different drivers over here that you can install, but the one I installed was the WinUSB driver. So whichever driver you want to install, make sure that you select the right one, or just play around with it until it works. It should work for generic USB devices, and sometimes they don't install on Windows. So you just click install driver. So I already did that, so I'm gonna click reinstall driver, and what it's going to do is it's just going to install the driver. You know, instead of you having to install the driver yourself, this program will do that for you. And pretty much any USB device that you already have the driver for, so do take note that this is not something that will download the right driver. This is actually just some troubleshooting tool to install a generic USB device. So again, this is not like this automatic download tool to download the right driver. This is not that at all. This is actually when you already have a device installed and you know you selected the right drivers, but for some reason it's not installing. It's worth using this tool to see if that works, just by installing the right interface drivers for the USB device. That might just solve the problem, and this is what this problem Zedik does. I'll put the link in the video description, guys. I'm not gonna go and talk about this for too long. I think you get the gist of this. This is just a tool for USB debugging, for USB devices that can't be installed. Just simple. Try it out if you have this issue, and if this video helped you out, guys, then please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.